Okay, so today we're going to be looking at combining fractions together, in particular algebraic fractions. But just to refresh your memory, I thought I'd do a numerical example first. So here we've got 2/7, and we're going to add 3/5 to this. And the process behind it is we want to make these two fractions have a common denominator. Once we have the common denominator, then we can just add the tops. So to make a common denominator, we can multiply top and bottom of each fraction by the denominator of the opposite fraction. In this case, I'll be multiplying 2/7 top and bottom by the number 5 to make 10 35ths, and then I'll multiply this top and bottom by 7 to make 21 35ths. I've then got 10 25ths plus 21 35ths to make 31 35ths. So that's the process behind it. And we refer to this process as cross-multiplying because what we're essentially doing is we're taking the denominator here and we're cross-multiplying it up to the 2. And we're taking the denominator here and we're cross-multiplying it up to the 3. So what we're going to get is a 10 from the 2 times 5 plus a 21 from the 3 times 7 divided by our new denominator, which is 35, which comes about by the product of the two denominators here. Now that we've got the top, we can just simplify that to 31. The bottom remains at 35, and that can't be simplified any further, so we leave that alone, and that's the answer. Okay, so that process is called cross-multiplying. We apply exactly the same technique when we have algebraic fractions. So here we've got an integer divided by an algebraic expression plus an integer divided by another algebraic expression. And just like we did with the numerical example, we're going to cross-multiply this so that the denominator is common to both fractions, and then we can just add the tops. So this numerator times this denominator is going to give us 5 into 3 minus 5x. This numerator times this denominator is going to give us 6 into 2x plus 1. And then our new denominator is a product of the two denominators from before. So we're going to get 2x plus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 5x. Okay, so that is now a single fraction. It just needs a bit of simplification. So to simplify it, let's multiply out the brackets. So we're going to get 15 minus 25x plus 12x plus 6. And that's going to be all divided by, I'm going to keep this factorised, 2x plus 1, 3 minus 5x, and then we can combine the like terms on the top. So 15 plus 6 is 21. Minus 25 plus 12 is minus 13x. And that's divided by that denominator. Keep the denominator factorised, it's just a bit neater. And then that's my solution. Reversing this process, so going from one fraction to two fractions, is often necessary for integration. So for example, we want to integrate this function, then we'd have to partial fraction it, which is what this process is called, reversing it. So in my next video, we'll be just reversing that process.